what we typically find in a publication is a table, is a figure, is a structure, maybe a few other numbers that we have extracted along the whole way of producing data, running calculations until we publish it. But we never ever provide the complete information. And I think that's perfectly okay, because we cannot write 100 pages long articles and you wouldn't like to read them either. But somehow it's a pity that, first of all the knowledge that we gain on the way of writing, on the way writing the paper, is essentially lost. And we also have to admit that this daily research that we really enjoy, don't get me wrong, but overall it's a very slow process if we consider one material after the other or one property after the other. So we can do better, and that's why